Now let's see two new functions which are related to dates. This is Workday and Workday.International. Okay, let's go one by one. What Workday does is it calculates the end date after specified number of working days. Now, again, as I said for networking days, it also doesn't consider Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah. So, but this is basically it is not a difference between 2 days, but it helps you to add the number of days based on the date that you have selected and the number of dates that you want to add. So let's see the formula. So is equal to workday. I'll open the brackets. I'll give the start date and the number of days that I want to add. Suppose I want to add 10 days. Yes, I'll close the bracket. See what happens? It is giving me 15th of 24, whereas it should have given me 10th or 11th of January. Yeah, we are adding 10 days to one, so it should have given me 11th. Why it has given you 11th? So if you actually go to the calendar and see, there are 4 days which are coming as weekend. So 6 and 7 is a Saturday and Sunday, and 13 and 14 is a Saturday and Sunday. So my 10 days are not getting added. So if I exclude the date, the first date, that is 1/1/2024, and if I add to try to add 10 days, it is calculating second, third, fourth, fifth as this 4 days, and then it skips Saturdays and Sunday, and it will go to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 9 days. Again, it will skip Saturday and Sunday, and it will jump on to 15. If I would have kept the number of days as 9 days, it would have given me 3 days prior. So that it is giving me 12th, which is before Saturday and Sunday. Yes. So when you are adding the number of days, it is taking into consideration the number of weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday during the calculation. Yeah. And if you want to take the holidays as well, suppose I see 10th is the holiday. Yeah. Because of 10th, the date would be further pushed to 15th because 13th, 14th is a weekend, 15th is the date, while 10th is the holiday, so it will skip the 10th as well in the calculation. So suppose I say comma and I'll select the same days, same 10th from above. You'll see it has skipped the Saturday, Sunday, and it has skipped the holiday as well to take, wherein I have kept the number of days to be added as 9 only. Yes, if I have excluded the holiday, it would have stopped on 12th. But since I have from the entire range from 1 to 12, 10 falls in between, it has skipped the 10th as well, since I specified it as a holiday, and it is taking me on 15. Now, these are mostly used in customer service processes where there is a holiday, yeah, if there is a weekend, and you want to understand the productivity of the call center agents who are doing the calling. Yeah. So how many calls they have attended in a day, or how many calls they have patched up in a day. So this helps you to find out the exact tenure between those 2 days or the 2 periods where you want to find the productivity. So the practical application is mostly to find the productivity that I have seen or I have mostly used during my entire career. Yeah. So this is what Workdays does. So it calculates the number of days uh, as per the specified days, and it excludes Saturdays and Sundays. Yeah, as well as holidays, while adding the days to the date which you have started the formula with. Yeah. And if suppose I specify the date to be in probably decimal. So suppose I say 99.7. So still it will consider as 9 days. Yes. So the decimals get truncated to the lowest digit. Yes. So before the dot, whatever integer that we have, it will consider it to add the number of days. Yes. So if I specify as 10.7, it will still take it is at 10 days. Clear? So you need to be very clear when you're working with days because it work days because it treats Saturday, Sunday as the weekend when you are trying to add days. Now let's understand what does Workday International does. So it's equal to Workday International. Let's understand the Workday International this time. So it's equal to sorry, Workday International. So what did it does? It's the same thing again. I specify the start date. Yes, I put a comma. Yeah, how many days I want to add? Suppose I want to again add 9 days and I'll close it. Yes, similar thing. So it has jumped on to 12 days. If I would have made it 10, it have skipped Saturday, Sunday, and it have gone to 15. Yes. So this is one part. The second part of Workday is the same as we had for Network Days International. If you have seen my video properly, it will again take the same pattern that we had for string method or number method, which is used for weekend. Yes. So weekend, you will have, you can refer to my Network Day International video to understand how this weekends are being used. So suppose I want to specify the weekend to be Monday. So I'll specify it as 1, 2 in terms of integer. I'll say comma, I'll add holiday as a 10th. And let's see what happens. So it is pushing my date to 13th. Yes, clear? So this is how, because it is pushing the date to 13 because we have specified only Monday as the holiday. We have not specified Saturday as Sunday as a holiday. 1, 2 means Monday. Yeah, for that you can refer my previous video of Network Days International. Yeah. So this is how you can add days to your date when you want to do some calculations ahead of your current date. So you want to forecast something. Yeah, you want to find a trend. So you can use it that way. So what does Workday International does? It calculates the date after a specified number of work days, excluding specified weekdays and holidays as well. Yes. So I hope you understood how you can use Workday and Workdays International and use it for your analytics further on. Yeah, thank you so much.